Hi guys, this is my box of goth unboxing. I've already opened it up and taken all the things out of the wrappings and stuff because it's ever so fiddly when I'm trying to do it on camera. I'm also really congested at the moment, so if I sound croaky or cough, I apologise. And this time we've got Taxidermy and Oddities for this one. I was really looking forward to this. We have two beautiful little feathers, which I actually collect feathers from various places over the years. When I've been on a beach or up a mountain or going for walks in woodlands, I see them and pick up the pretty ones. I'll go in my steampunk hat. These brown noodles this time. I like these, but they do get everywhere and I do get told off for leaving them lying around. Never mind. They're better than most packaging. This is a lovely piece of artwork. I'm not sure who by yet. I'll probably put it in the description below. But we have conjoined twins here with the Freaks, which I really like the film. But this is a very, very nice fan art or drawing or what you will. Oddities, very oddities. Then we have a little sticker that has bats' heads. That is really cool. Piece of Victoriana, possibly. Looks very nice. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I will think of something. This box beckons to have a box made up of all of its own, but I probably won't use the coffin box as it may not be wide enough for all of these. I'll save that for a while. We have this beautiful, oh excuse me, natural starfish. Look at that, isn't that pretty? That's really nice. And we have this, which I think is a shark's tooth fossil. I'll open up the paper and have a look and see what it says. Looks very big, but I think that's what it is. And this beastie, a really nice glass jar with a cork lid with the box of goth skull on it, and it says cleaned bone specimen of either a bird, rabbit, rat, mouse or fish. Now I'm not sure, but I think this may have bits of 2 or possibly 3 skeletons in there. I can't actually see a skull at all. This is very nice. I may get some resin and embed them in resin, but I'm not quite sure yet. I've never really used bones before. It's intriguing. That's the thing that comes with it. It tells me what everything is. Then we have the little badge, the signature badge that comes with every issue. I like that. That is a really cool piece of artwork. Conjoined twins again, but this time it's the skeleton of them. This is indeed an oddity. It is beautiful. The colour is amazing, the size is lovely, the weight is good too, and I think you can just about pick up the beetle bug in there. It's got a beautiful iridescence to it. Yep. Dark. It's a red, deep wine red colour. It will go on a keyring along with all my other bits and pieces. I've got a very heavy keyring at the minute. I may have to split them into different parts. Then we have this gorgeous, which I thought was a peacock feather eye when I first saw it, but no, it's just a really, really pretty eye embedded into this. I think it's a resin background, like a spidery, webby, scaly type background. Very, very pretty. Currently it's got one of these black organza organdy, not organdy, organza I think is the right word, to use as a necklace, but I think I might actually put a piece on this other side here and use it as a either as a bracelet, a very big bracelet, or as possibly a loose choker. I'm not quite sure yet, but I do like that. That is really pretty. A very nice idea. It's given me some ideas to use with my own frames and cabochons. This is the statement signature piece that comes with the subscription box, I believe, as it was wrapped in the green paper. And that again is the conjoined twins with the rosy cheeks. Beautiful artwork. Very heavy enamel badge. Very good quality. But everything in boxes are always good quality. Here we have an earring that is, excuse me, it's a tooth. That's nice. It's different, it's unusual. I like that. And last of all, in the box, before I show the poster, is this gorgeous mermaid skeleton. I'd seen very similar, not as pretty, not as dense or as shiny as this on Wish, and I've actually ordered one that's got a stone, not a stone, but a cabochon that's like fish scales. So I'm going to have quite a collection of these soon. I think I may have ordered a regular skeleton one as well, but this is really nice. And the last thing is this poster. Very Victoriana style poster. Of course it's in colour. And we have a dragonfly, a beetle, a spider, I think yeah, another dragonfly. No, that's, sorry, the first one is a winged darter. Scarab beetle. A blue John beetle. Excuse me. Oh dear. Oh, this is your problem. Bear with me a second, please. There we go. Try and pin it down under the box. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. We have a blue John beetle and a beautiful death's head moth. This will go into a frame of its own, as I have done with a lot of the artwork from them. Right, so we've got Freaks illustration by Tattoo Parents Club, an original. Micro Natural Starfish, Mystical Creature Eye Bezels by Ramona Plurger. Excuse me if I've pronounced that wrong. Plueger. Beetle in resin keyring. Shark tooth fossil. Teeth earring. Siamese love enamel pin. Insects illustration by Sarvatar. Mermaid skeleton necklace. Bone specimen vial. Oh, the bats is the sub-box extra. I do apologise. That's the bats by Chupacabra. It's a vinyl sticker, and then there's the theme pin badge. And of course, where you get it from, Box of Goth. Very worth it. Every month there's usually something totally different and unusual. There's things that I haven't seen anywhere else ever. So I'm very, very pleased to be continuing subscribing with these wonderful, wonderful people. Thank you so much, Box of Goth, for making my month more enjoyable, giving me something to unbox, and something to be creative with. Okay, so I've just taken the lid off this. I'm sorry everything seems a little overexposed. Try to make it light because it's not very bright in this room tonight. But yes, we have Otodus obliquus shark tooth. Location found Ouenzem in Morocco. I'm not going to try and pronounce anything else. I'm really not feeling up to it. And my voice is starting to croak as well, which is unusual. There we go. That is a beautiful shark's tooth fossil. Not rare or anything. Shark. as rare as sharks' teeth. It's a bit of a joke because sharks ditch their teeth constantly. If their teeth get too blunt, they just let them go, and then another pair immediately grows back behind. So rare as shark's teeth is one of those. It's not very rare. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.